time, that was supposed to be the plan. That I mean, me leak the video and send it to Shani or whatever, and more money from him. So that was supposed to be the plan. You guys get it?
Oh.
So that's why we said we did that at the hotel when we went we went to the hotel to just fix at in like with the wife, and that's what we was doing. But then yes, he was.
So he was gonna make y'all plot on the wife.
Yes,
to convince because him say once him the business.
Yes,
about
what are you talking about, Benson?
The fans, him just business about the wife because I guess she's tripping.
This man is a dog shit.
This is crazy. It's getting wild about it.
You not do too much.
Yeah, so that's what we trying to explain to you. We left, like we just said, fuck you, like you doing too much now, like it was too much. So that's why
who did I go get the $20? Who really did I go get the $20,000? Armed it.
All right, no, that too. I told him. He's like, oh, I should make a video right now. Someone tell him said no because you know
so you was gonna act like you was the bitch in the video.
I was gonna get the bitch. But he tell the same I gonna give me half. Where's the half? And you just sitting over there programming me. And not do nothing like, come on, no, what we doing?
Oh my God, this is crazy.
You don't hear something, I watch you.
Like everything is a joke film.
Me sit down and watch
your bad, but I beat you.
Set up this girl. I'm not gonna do this because now, is it like what? What we doing? Because you just sitting over.
She was saying that is why.
Now I understand why you said I was nervous when you said you want to kill Shani Mother.
Yes, that's why I said when Shani wants with him live, so now everything I add up.
You get why Cassandra said when we did play the record, you know what?
Yes.
He's not mad at me because cause we just left and didn't do nothing. We was like, fuck.
Yeah, he not mad. He was telling her to come back. Whoa.
Makes sense, no, like we don't got nothing to lie about, like.
So Ben, so what you have to say about your friends?
You have to pee up in my dog shit on the collect here.
What I said live, Q Sheen D Carter. Shut the fuck up.
But more, wait, one question more. When Shani do her video, right? She in her comment, she just show the bank card and she say, oh, and put money on it. So oh no, she just say the man left her over Benson for dead for hungry.
Nobody know there, so CMR know there. I'm make sure.
Yeah, that. Why you said that, Benson?
No, coming.
No,
nobody feel like
he's on the live. He's been in and out of the lives.
Yeah,
even when she
just show everybody.
He been on the live.
When she just came out, right? She was showing, oh, see the bank here, the way I'm giving
he give all of y'all bank cards.
Yeah, see the bank.
Because him said when he pulled certain amount, his wife always question him. But continue.
Yeah.
Oh.
She that showing at the beginning, but no, a while ago when she was up here, she said him leave her over Benson's house and that dead for hungry.
That's what I told you. Yeah, because she did say that.
So you see the two different story, the two different narrative that she's spreading. First she said him put money on this. Yes.
Over
right? And then now she just said him leave her over there for dead for hungry. Shani, make up your mind. Come on, go to bed. Hurry up.
I don't get it. Her stories are not never right.
Yo, Shani's sick and Kass, you and Shani depend this one.
No, I don't talk to her. No, we don't talk to her no more. She's been blowing up my phone, texting me.
Yeah, but the girl dry you out. The girl dry you out on some different levels, bro.
You know, Cassandra.
Shani, I go kill me.
I told you today I saw that she drew it out, and I was the only one that peeped that shit.
She might kill me.
This is crazy. Yo, this is some movie shit, bro. I don't even know. Yes, I don't even know. God must have made me run up in your youth today, bro, because I usually don't do this shit.
One in a year, sister, him never want to left the girl. You know, in a year, what I mean?
Never
want to the voice,
Cassandra, he never want to leave Cassandra. Cassandra said, I'm done. Like, why we just don't done end shit, like, between me and him don't want that. He wants to be with
about
Cassandra.
To make up a storyline to give to the wife, nigga.
Gonna make a whole storyline, man.
Hey, shout out to CMR, bro.
Like,
this
and he just kept going and going and going. No.
Hey,
it is too much now, kids. No, they have me worried. They have me worried.
Benson said a message that me DM, you know, hear me. Me just